Hello teacher, today I will present you a discourse analysis of a fragment of a video from the series Friends. The purpose of this is present and explain you some characteristics of the discourse that will be analyzed. Without further ado, I will start presenting. We will start with a significant observation, which is the greeting with which Joy arrives and Rachel answers the phone. The important thing about this is to mention that everybody uses different and unique words to greeting, and also every greeting can vary according to a specific situation.
My movement class. What's a movement class? It's Chandler's way of pretending he didn't take mine.
In second 11, Chandler mentions his movement class, but we don't know what this means, so we require a context to understand it. Later, Phoebe asks what it means, and Monica answers saying that is the way he names his mime class. Without this, we would not have been able to understand the real intention about what Chandler was referring to about his class.
Will you make the call or what? Okay, I'll try. Alright, thanks, you're the best. Now listen, the last day of auditions is Thursday, okay? So I gotta get in there by Thursday, okay? Just remember Thursday. Thursday, can you remember Thursday? Yeah, so Tuesday? Thursday.
At the 38th second of the video clip, Joey repeats the word Thursday to Chandler 6 times. Joe is making use of a rhetorical figure, the anaphora, which consists of the deliberate repetition of a word. And you can also notice a non-verbal response from Chandler at the second 54th as he rolls his eyes showing sarcasm and frustration, so it can be considered a gesture of response to. At minute 136, Rachel used an interjection to show surprise at the situation. Unaware of the news, her reaction is a sign of her amazement, and also use a gesture to complement his reaction. It is relevant to mention that, like Joe, they all had different expressions of types to say the things or show surprises. Finally, this is the reference of the material that was used for the elaboration of this presentation.